In this video, we'll show you how to replace the tension knob on your GREENWORKS toolless tension chainsaw. The most common reason for replacing the tension knob is when the chainsaw bar no longer adjusts when you turn the tension knob. The inside of your saw may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will require a T20 Torx screwdriver to complete this repair. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Loosen the tensioner and remove the bar and chain. To change the tensioner, the side cover must be removed. If there is debris inside, brush or wipe the debris away before installing the new parts. Using the T20 Torx screwdriver, remove the screw in the middle of the tension knob. Hold it firmly and pull the knob upward to remove. Place the new tension knob in place. Ensure that the teeth are properly seated within the gears. Secure the gear with the screw that you previously removed. Reinstall the bar, chain, and side cover. Adjust the chain to the proper tension before fully tightening the cover. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your saw, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS saw will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.